Most people type questions into ChatGPT like it's Google. That's why they get average results. But there's a specific way to write prompts that makes ChatGPT do your actual work for you. Today, I'm giving you 5 copy-paste prompts that I use every single week. Let's unlock them. Welcome back to AI Unlocked, where we cut through the noise and show you exactly what AI can do for you every single week. Let's get into it. Prompt 1, the email rewriter. Copy this exactly. You are a professional business communication expert. Rewrite the following email to sound confident, concise, and professional. Cut it to half the length. Remove any filler words. Keep the core message. Paste any email you've written in there. Watch what it does. That rambling 200-word email becomes a sharp 90-word message that actually gets replies. I use this every single day at work. Prompt 2, the meeting summarizer. If you sit through long meetings and forget everything after, this one is for you. You are an expert note taker. I will give you raw meeting notes. Summarize them into 3 key decisions made action items with owner names. Any unresolved questions. Paste your notes here, which is what I'm gonna do now. Paste your messy meeting notes in there. It pulls out exactly what matters. Decisions, actions, questions. Sends it to your boss in 30 seconds. Done. Prompt 3, for anyone creating content, writing posts, or running a business. You are a content strategist with 10 years experience. Generate 10 YouTube video title ideas for a channel about your topic. Each title must be under 60 characters. Create curiosity or promise a clear benefit. Be suitable for a beginner audience format as a numbered list. Replace your topic with anything: cooking, finance, fitness, AI tools. It gives you 10 ready-to-use ideas in 10 seconds. I actually used a version of this prompt to plan this very channel. Prompt 4, learn anything fast. Whenever you encounter something you don't understand, a concept, a document, a technical term, use this. You are a teacher explaining to a smart 15-year-old. Explain topic in simple terms. Use an analogy to make it stick. Keep it under 150 words. The key here is smart 15-year-old. That forces ChatGPT to skip jargon, but not talk down to you. Try it on anything. Blockchain, tax terms, legal documents, instant clarity. And see what happens. Last one, and this is my personal favorite. Whenever you're stuck on a decision, I need to make a decision and want an objective analysis. Here is my situation. Describe your situation. Here are my options. List your options. Give me pros and cons of each option. Key risks I might be overlooking. Your recommended option with reasoning. Be direct. Don't sit on the fence. Feed it any real decision you're facing. Career move, business idea, tool choice, anything. It won't make the decision for you, but it forces you to think clearly and surfaces things you missed. I use this at least once a week. And see what happens. Five prompts, all free, all copy-paste ready right now. I'll put all 5 in the description below, so you don't have to rewind. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. I drop new AI tools and prompts every week, and I never waste your time. Drop a comment below. Which prompt are you using first? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.